about brownies. Hi Internet, it's Olivia. Welcome to The Mess. I'm gonna make some brownies today because I fell asleep at 5 in the morning and I woke up at noon. So that's why I look like the creature that lives under your bed. Yeah, I'm really just not in the mood to do anything today that makes me seem like a normal human being. So I'm gonna make some brownies. This expired May 11, 2018. Garbage! Okay, so first option, I could go to the store and get brownie mix because it's 4,000 degrees outside because I'm wearing all black and I'm not willing to change. Option number 2, I could use the expired brownie mix that's on the floor over there. Our other option is that I can make homemade brownies. I guess I'm gonna have to make homemade brownies. Let's mother freaking do it. Got it. Smells dang good though, let me just tell ya. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. I got a shell in the... This is why you don't bake. It looks so good. This looks real good. I have these white chocolate chips. I was thinking maybe we could add them for like some fun, but no, yeah, these are so good. Maybe not. I added too many chocolate chips. Here's my beautiful creation. Delicious. I forgot to preheat the oven. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. That's so good. So now I just have to wait until the oven's preheated. I'm just gonna get salmonella while we wait. Let's talk about my goals and aspirations for these brownies. Ideal scenario is perfectly chewy in the middle with the perfect amount of chocolate chips per bite. They need to be gooey in the middle or else I'm gonna have a BF. My other problem is the fact that brownies have to cook for 35 minutes. Absolutely not. I'm probably gonna cut them off at 25 and eat brownie soup. All right, brownies are going in the oven as soon as possible.
I'm gonna take my horse to Old Town Road. I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna run.
My brownies are done. Look at the beauty. I don't think they're cooked all the way. They're not even cooked in the middle because we're gonna go back in the oven. All right, so after baking my brownies for another 10 minutes, I'm just giving up and eating them. I have my failure. It's good. It's not as good as like a mix that's pre-made. It's not as good as that. I'd say these are pretty good. Pretty good for a first attempt at making homemade brownies. I think that is the end of this video because I literally don't know what else to talk about. If you guys for some reason want to make this brownie recipe, I'm gonna link the recipe down in the bio. In the bayou. I'm gonna link the recipe in the bayou. If you like this video, maybe you could subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what your favorite dessert is. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I hope that you don't get eaten by a shark today. Love you guys. Bye. Also, I know this is a gag, but I literally keep like sniffing flour into my mouth, in my nostril, and it's like giving me a bit of a headache, I'm not gonna lie.